It takes a million pieces coming together to tell a story. A million parts to make up the whole. Every day, that puzzle becomes a little more complete. Sacrifices are made with the hope that a picture will materialize, that someday it will all make sense, it will add up. In your world, the next piece must be acquired because it's what you've grown to need. One last push and then you'll be inspired. One more tool and then you'll be ready to go. One more, just one more. But what if more was a myth? What if your idea of necessary was wrong? If you already had what you need and the objective shifted, not from seeking your next answer or finding your next piece, but in rearranging the pieces that are already in front of you, playing the hand that you have. See, stagnation is a product of thinking that you are not yet ready, that you're not yet prepared someday, but not yet. And this can be an enemy because there will never be a perfect moment. A green light does not drop down from the clouds and let you know that everything is good. There will always be some doubt, some uneasiness, and if there's not, then you're thinking too small. Everything that is required, you already have. What makes or breaks a person is what they do with the pieces they already possess. There's no value in the waiting game. Postponing, rationalizing contain very little benefit. The key is progress. It's been said that sometimes you have to jump and grow your wings on the way down. Trust that within you is everything you need. You will grow, you will learn, you will evolve, but that doesn't happen standing still. Stop chasing every single thing you don't have and start capitalizing on what you do. Regret will cling to those waiting for their perfect moment while you manufacture mountaintops.